Charlotte's new Pillow Talk palette of pops is a limited edition quad of sparkling nude pink eyeshadows for bejeweled eyes that dazzle, delight and hypnotise. First, use your finger to apply the shimmering pink prime shade to the inner corner of the eyes. Then using a blender brush, blend the shade out to the centre of the lid. Next, I'm using a smudger brush to apply the same shade to the inner corners and lower lash line for a brightening effect. To create a shimmering shine bright almond shape, I'm applying the pinky nude enhanced shade to the crease and just blending it out to elongate the look of the eye. They really do work beautifully when used with your fingers. Apply the mesmerising bronze smoke shade to the outer corner of the eyes, focusing on the lash line and crease to create an exaggerated V shape. These textures glide on like silk and instantly make your eyes look bigger, brighter and more hypnotising. Toaston's eyes are already looking so wide and glowy. But for a final pop of light play, I'm taking the glowing tawny copper pop shade and applying it just to the centre of the lids. I'm using the new Pillow Talk eyeliner to create a classic flick. I absolutely love this new formula. Apply your favourite false lashes and top with lashings and lashings of Full Fat Lashes mascara. Charlotte has created 2 new Pillow Talk lip cheats and lipsticks so that everyone can fall even deeper in love with the world of Pillow Talk. Using the lip cheat in Pillow Talk Intense, define the shape and appearance of the lips. Top your liner with a glossy layer of Charlotte's new Pillow Talk Intense. For an even, precise finish, blend the shade out using a lip brush. This lipstick looks absolutely amazing on deeper skin tones as a versatile, buildable nude or as a statement date to disco lip for a fair to medium skin. Swish and glow with the new Cheek to Chic and Pillow Talk Intense. This blush will add an instant healthy sheen to your complexion for a gorgeous glow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Pillow Talk palette of pops tutorial. Let me know what you think.